In this example, again, our first step is the concept wherein we should follow or know and understand in the trinomial which one is a square number and not a square number. Step number 1, we can see here there's a 1 beside x there, and 81 is a square number. And step number 2, basically we'll get the first square number here, and the variable x squared, we get x. And step number 3, we will focus on letter B. Letter B is the 81 there, which come from 9. Then step number 4 will be multiplying to the a and b, which is x times 9, where the result is 18x, which verify our middle term. And finally, we will do it in pattern. So we have here x and 9. So therefore, the final answer would be x plus 9 times x plus 9.